The story of our planet is written in stone, a tale of worlds lost to time. In one chapter, giants walked the earth, the dinosaurs. Among them, Apatosaurus stands out, a true titan of the Jurassic. Imagine an animal as long as 2 school buses and as heavy as 5 elephants. Apatosaurus, once called Brontosaurus, was a gentle giant, a plant-eater that moved with slow, deliberate grace. Its existence continues to inspire wonder and challenge our understanding of life on Earth. To become a giant, you need a blueprint for immensity. The skeleton of Apatosaurus was a masterpiece of structural engineering. Its 4 legs, like massive pillars, supported its colossal body, much like a modern elephant. Air sacs in its vertebrae made the skeleton surprisingly lightweight for its size. Apatosaurus was a living monument to nature's ingenuity. The most iconic feature of Apatosaurus is its extraordinarily long neck. This biological crane allowed it to reach food sources inaccessible to others. For years, scientists imagined Apatosaurus holding its neck high, like a giraffe. But recent studies suggest it held its neck more horizontally, sweeping it side to side. This strategy let it graze over a wide area without moving its massive body, conserving energy. The neck was less a periscope and more a harvesting tool, methodical, efficient, and powerful. Its vertebrae were hollowed out and filled with air sacs, making the neck lighter and easier to support. Strong muscles and ligaments provided control and strength. This combination of lightness and power allowed Apatosaurus to possess one of the most extreme features in the animal kingdom. The neck defined its existence, shaping how it fed and interacted with its world. It was a marvel of evolutionary engineering. Apatosaurus's neck remains one of nature's most impressive adaptations. If the neck defined the front, the tail dominated the rear of Apatosaurus. More than a counterbalance, the tail was a dynamic tool with multiple functions. Its base was thick and muscular, powering the hind legs and aiding movement. The tail tapered into a whip-like tip. Computer models suggest it could break the sound barrier, creating a deafening crack. This sonic boom may have been used for communication or to intimidate rivals. The tail could also serve as a formidable weapon, deterring predators like Allosaurus. A well-aimed strike could injure or kill an attacker. The tail was crucial for locomotion, communication, and defense, a perfect example of evolutionary multitasking. Apatosaurus was not just a passive giant, it was an active, dynamic creature. The thunder of its footsteps was matched by the thunder of its tail. Its tail transformed our view of this gentle giant. Sustaining a body the size of Apatosaurus required an unimaginable amount of food. As a herbivore, it spent most of its day eating hundreds of kilograms of plants daily. Its small head and peg-like teeth weren't for chewing, but for raking and stripping vegetation. Apatosaurus swallowed food whole, relying on its vast digestive system to do the hard work. Like many dinosaurs, it likely swallowed stones, gastroliths, to help grind tough plant material in its gizzard. Its gut was a giant fermentation vat, filled with microbes breaking down cellulose and producing copious gas. Herds of Apatosaurus may have been surrounded by clouds of methane, a humorous side effect of their diet. This specialized system, raking teeth, gastroliths, and a fermenting gut, was the solution to fueling a 30-ton body. Apatosaurus was a bulk feeder, harvesting energy with industrial efficiency. Its feeding strategy shaped its anatomy and behavior. Eating was a full-time job for this Jurassic giant. The name Brontosaurus, thunder lizard, captures the sound these giants made as they moved. Apatosaurus walked with a slow, deliberate gait, its pillar-like legs moving in a sequence for maximum stability. The Fossilized trackways show their feet were close together, not splayed like a lizard's, making movement more efficient. These trackways also reveal herd behavior. Multiple individuals traveling together. Moving in herds offered safety in numbers, with adults protecting the young. The herd was a moving fortress, deterring predators and ensuring survival. Their migration shaped the environment, trampling vegetation and maintaining open prairies. Apatosaurus was an ecosystem engineer, actively shaping its world. Its life was one of constant, slow movement, driven by the need for food and safety. The thunder of their footsteps left a lasting mark on the Jurassic landscape. Apatosaurus was both a traveler and a transformer of its world. The biology of Apatosaurus holds some of its most fascinating secrets. Its respiratory system, similar to modern birds, used air sacs for a one-way flow of oxygen, far more efficient than mammalian lungs. Hollow bones weren't just for saving weight. They were part of this advanced breathing system. This efficiency was key to powering a giant body. Apatosaurus grew rapidly, from a hatchling to near adult size in just 10 to 15 years. Fast growth helped it outpace predators and reach safety in size. Communication was equally impressive. Its tail could create sonic booms, and its nasal chambers may have produced low-frequency rumbles. These sounds could travel for miles, keeping herds in constant contact. Apatosaurus was a master of survival, growth, and communication. Its biology was a blend of ancient innovation and evolutionary brilliance. The secrets of its success are written in its bones. To understand Apatosaurus, we must picture its world. The late Jurassic, 150 million years ago. The climate was warm and humid, with no polar ice caps and continents arranged differently. Apatosaurus lived on vast floodplains, crossed by slow rivers and rich in plant life. There were no grasses or flowers, just prairies of ferns, horsetails, and forests of conifers and tree ferns. This green abundance fueled the evolution of giants. Apatosaurus shared its world with other sauropods like Diplodocus and Brachiosaurus, each feeding at different heights. Niche partitioning allowed multiple giants to coexist without direct competition. The ground was also home to armored Stegosaurus and nimble Camptosaurus. Predators like Allosaurus and Ceratosaurus stalked these plains, preying on the vulnerable. The Jurassic was a dynamic, dangerous world, an arms race between hunters and the hunted. Apatosaurus was a central character in this epic drama. Its world was as extraordinary as the giant itself. The reign of Apatosaurus ended, but its legacy endures in stone. Its fossils have fired human imagination for over a century, symbolizing the prehistoric world. Apatosaurus challenges our understanding of biological limits and evolutionary innovation. Every aspect of its being, from hollow bones to whip-like tail, was a finely tuned adaptation. Its bird-like breathing, rapid growth, and herd behavior made it a master of survival. Studying Apatosaurus teaches us about engineering, biomechanics, and the power of evolution. Its fossils are blueprints of biological genius. Apatosaurus connects us to the deep past, reminding us that Earth was once a planet of giants. The thunder of its footsteps may be gone, but its story continues to echo. As long as we seek the secrets in stone, Apatosaurus will inspire wonder.